students, welcome to our today practical lab session. In our today practical lab session, we have learned our another program, that is how to calculate the area of circle. So dear students, first of all we learn how to calculate the area through theoretical section. Then we have learned our practical part. So first of all I am explaining you our program. So dear students, if you want to write a program to calculate the area of circle, first of all you have to add header files in your program. Then you have to include main function which is used for execution. Then I am declaring two variables which is of type float. Our first variable is for radius and our second variable is for area. Then dear students, I am writing our clear screen function which is used to clear the screen. After this we have write our printf function which is used to display the message, and the message is enter the radius of circle. Now dear students, with the help of scanf function I am getting the value of radius, and after getting the value of radius I am declaring the formula for area. So dear students, we can know the area of circle is pi r square, and here the value of pi is 3.14 into, and our r is radius. Okay, so r square, that's why I am writing 3.14 into radius. So here we can give the formula for circle. How to calculate the area for circle? Then dear students, now after giving this formula I want to print the value of area. So for that I am writing printf function, and under this printf function I am giving area. At last we have our getch, and finally we have our closing curly brace. Now dear students, I can show you with practical. Now dear students, you can see here I am typing the program to calculate the area of circle. First of all I am including our header files. So header file is, that is hash include stdio.s, then conio.s. Then dear students, I am including my main function that is used for execution of program. Then I am declaring our two variable radius and area which is of type float. Then we have given our clear screen function. After that I am printing the message to enter the radius of circle, and with the help of scanf function I am getting the value of radius from keyboard, and then I am giving the formula to calculate the area of circle, that is pi r square, and at last I am printing the value of area, and we have given getch function and closing curly braces. So dear students, basically this is our program to calculate the area of circle. Now I am compiling my program to check whether there is any error or not. For that I have to click on compile. So here you can see there is no error. Then I am click on run. Here it will print the message, that is enter the radius of circle. Now I am entering the value, that is 10. So you can see the area of circle is 3.14 as per our input. So the area of circle according to our inputting is 314. Okay. So this is our today practical lab session where we have learned regarding how to calculate the area of circle. So dear students, thank you for joining our today practical lab session.